Good morning, students. You already know that I am teaching you the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind before some days. Today I will teach you from the paragraph 15 to the last paragraph 17. As usual, I firstly read out each and every lines of the story, then with the difficult words I will teach you again. Firstly, I proceed to the read out the lines of the story. At the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port, together with some of the surrounding territory. His words did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it, he proposed the formation of a world government. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. But over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms buildup and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. Now come to the difficult words which are prepared by me, then again I will teach you. Colleague means group of people working together. Port means town by sea. Destroy means damage or destruction. Surrounding means all around a particular place or thing. Territory means area. Project means joint effort or campaign. Shake means move. Exploded means erupted. Extent means limit. Decade means 10 years. Missive means long and official letter. Unlike means opposite. Peace means calm. Agitating means clashing or fighting. Popularity means name and fame. Democracy means a form of government, people's rule. Celebrate means publicly acknowledge enjoyable activity. Visionary means dreamer. Citizen means member of a particular country. Genius means gifted. Now come to the story again. at the urging of a colleague. Urging means here requesting or praying, and colleague means already know students' friends. So, at the requesting of the colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American president. The name of the American president was Franklin D. Roosevelt, and the mentioned date was on 2nd August 1939. In this letter, Einstein or Albert Einstein warned to the President Franklin D. Roosevelt that a single bomb of this type. This line indicates that students, yesterday you learned that when there was the power of the Nazi at that time, they had built up the bomb that is called an atomic bomb. Already know that is the atomic bomb. Due to this bomb, the physicists had got feared that this bomb would be exploded, then the long area will be destroyed. So, exploded means erupted in a port, might very well destroy, means damage the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. It means that bomb not only destroy the area of the port, but it also destroy the area which is next to the territory. His words did not fail, means Albert Einstein's word affected the mind of the President Franklin D. Roosevelt, and then the Americans developed, means made the atomic bomb in a secret project, means in a private plan of their own, means themselves. And this prepared atomic bomb was dropped on the cities of Japan. The cities' names are Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Having seen the bad circumstances or miserable condition after the dropping of the atomic bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, they are the cities of Japan. Einstein was deeply shaken. Shaken means moved by the extent, means limit of the destruction or damage. This time again he wrote, means Albert Einstein wrote a public missive. Already know students, missive means long and official letter to the United Nations. In it means in this letter, Albert Einstein proposed, means suggested the formation of a world government. A government should be formed on the basis of the world. Unlike means opposite the letter to Roosevelt. It means to say that when Albert Einstein wrote the letter to the President Franklin D. Roosevelt, this letter affected the President. But this time, when this letter was written to the United Nations, it didn't affect, it did not impact. But over the made no impact. But over the next decade, means within the next 10 years, Einstein got even more involved. Involvement means indulgement in politics. Now Einstein started to take interest in the activity of the politics and also agitating. Agitating means clashing or fighting for an end to the armed build up. Now there was the suggestion of Albert Einstein to end the construction or building of the arms, and using his popularity means he started to use his name and fame to campaign. Already know students, means he started to make the project for peace and democracy. Now when Einstein died in 1955, when Albert Einstein was 76 years old in 1955, he was celebrated. Celebrated means to enjoy or publicly acknowledge enjoyable activity as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. So when celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific, already know, related to the science, and genius means gifted. He was in the area of scientific genius, who is always remembered by us. Thank you for today, students. You already know this chapter has been finished by me, and you will read and revise this chapter, and wherever you feel problems, you will contact me. And now this is over for today. Next day I will start the next chapter. Thank you.